This is bullish. This is bullish.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Bitwise files XRP ETF trust registration in Delaware. So this is not actually, unfortunately, an actual SEC XRP ETF, but they have filed the XRP ETF registration in Delaware. Okay, hold on, time out. This is bullish. This is bullish. I understand what this, Trent sent me a note about this morning. And the note was not quite an SEC filing, and that is correct. This is not quite an SEC filing.
Is this by the rumor?
However, if we were to go over here, okay, so basically there is someone who went in, and this shows you how much they use Delaware. Someone went in here and tried to put trusts in for these scam coins to try to make it look like the story, because this was such a big, like, what I'm trying to say here is, I remember when this was the big thing. I remember when the big thing was Grayscale filing these essentially corporate filings for not necessarily a company, but in this case for a financial corporation, financial instrument, whatever you want to call it. They're creating the names and the business structures before they go live with them. And we have seen that outside of these scam coins, outside of the scam coins that you just saw, pretty much when we see this, it is legit. This means, in my opinion, 100%, we are getting an XRP ETF application filing. We are getting one, 100%. I say 75% chance we get it by the end of the year. I say there's probably a 99% chance we get it by the end of next year, if not the approval and implementation of. This is happening. This is the standard operating procedure that we've seen in crypto. We have seen companies, now we have to make sure this is legit. Make sure all the spellings are correct. Make sure it lines up with, we're gonna look at the story, but make sure it lines up with previous Bitwise filings. And I'll have to find out the level that Bitwise is. I believe Bitwise is on the Van Eck level, so they're not on the big boy level. They're not Van Eck or Blackguard. That's who needs to file it to get it over the hump. XRP, Ripple can now file it, or not, Bitwise can file for it. It's not going to get approved until the big boys step in. But the way that the markets use this, they use this kind of news to pump the markets, right? So Bitwise can come out with this news, and it's a little bit of a pump excitement. And then when they actually release that they are in fact filing an application for a trust, or excuse me, for an ETF, then we're probably going to see price movement again. And then when BlackRock steps in, that's where we're going to see whoop. And then when we actually get the SEC making decisions, obviously we'll see what happens there. But I believe now that this means there is no doubt we are getting an XRP ETF. And look, this is why XRP over Cardano all day long. No one is filing an ADA ETF. And I don't want to keep harping on it, but I feel like I have to, because we're just seeing this play out more and more, and I just want people to understand my reasoning. I'm not mad at those people. I'm not mad at Charles. I just don't think it worked. I just don't think it worked. And you're seeing now, even with the appeal of the SEC pending, we're already getting this XRP ETF application filing. This is big news for the XRP army. Somebody should clip that. We should put that out. That's a great clip right there.
I actually just bought $1,000 of XRP right now after I heard that.
This is bullish. This is very bullish. A Bitwise spokesperson confirmed, so this is legit, there it is, confirmed the asset manager had registered an XRP exchange traded fund trust entity that appeared on Delaware's Division of Corporations website. According to the filing, the Bitwise they just did it freaking Sunday. How did they do it on Sunday? How did they register on Sunday? No, Monday. It's Monday. Sorry, I forgot. What was the slogan for Economy Man 2?
The quarter ends on Monday.
Quarter ends on Monday. The quarter ends on Monday. Yeah. God, that Economy Man. Man. Have you ever seen Economy Man 1?
No, I got to check them both out now, huh?
Oh, man. So good. So good.
Gives you the shivers, huh?
Man, it's very akin to the story of BitBoy. Economy Man is BitBoy in another multiverse, I think. Another universe in this multiverse, yeah.
Like he came back from the future to write that movie?
Maybe so. Maybe Economy Man is just a story that plays out in my head and it's not an actual movie, but to me, it's almost real. Okay.
The unofficial autobiography.
Yeah. Okay. It's like when I'm awake, I'm BitBoy. When I go to sleep, I'm Economy Man. Because I'm dreaming. That's the dream world I live in, Economy Man. Okay, so the point is, though, is this was Monday. So this was out on Monday, and this story is already publishing, and people already found this. It doesn't say the time, 19 hours ago. So, yeah, people found this very, very, very quickly. And this is big news, guys. Man, this is big news. People have been underselling this for sure. And this is why you watch BitBoy Crypto. This is why you watch BitBoy Crypto. Why? Because these other people do not pay enough attention to the news and haven't been here long enough to be able to tell you what I just told you. They don't know that stuff. They can read it if somebody writes it in a story. But they don't know that stuff. They don't remember all that. I remember all the stories. Got to talk about this stuff every single day of my life. I can tell you I was skeptical